Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily find your user manual. Let's get started. First we have to open a web browser and then search for HK Onyx Studio 7 user manual. It's this first one. As you can see, we have to open this Harman Kardon 1 website and scroll a little down until we see Documents and Downloads. We have to click on it, and as you can see, Quick Start Guide Multilingual. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.